Well, I thought it was important to share this momentous occasion with you. I am here inside of Bitsgap in its last 24 hours of our relationship, and the last bot that I have to close down just did the most wonderful thing. Look at this. I can actually close out a bot that has achieved 100%, but it did it in just over 2 weeks. So I actually now can fondly end my relationship with Bitsgap. Thanks, Bitsgap. It's been it's actually been nearly 2.5 years, but it's time to move on. We've got results like this to be created coming into the bull market with 3Commas, because 3Commas is giving us double the amount of bots for less amount of money. So, hasta la vista, Bitsgap. Thanks very much for letting me end on such a high note, and look forward to seeing you guys over on 3Commas very soon. I've got more videos to come, so make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and I'll let you know how the bots go on 3Commas, because I'll be able to have more of them over there. Yay! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.